It's so bright out here. Got the ND filter on and everything. Alright, well, we're drifting today, and it's not going to be a cinematic vlog or anything like that, but I might walk around, show you guys some cars if I can before the day gets too long, but I'm going to shoot photos too. I'm not going to be here super long. I'm probably going to leave around 3. They started at like 12, so probably not too long. But yeah, I don't know. Hopefully you like the videos that I've been posting. I posted 3 quick 1-minute-ish videos, and like more cinematic car feature type videos, and I had fun doing them, so hoping for like doing more and trying to get a bunch more stuff done. Tomorrow's Stance Nation, so I'll have a bunch of like mini clips as well as like a full cinematic and a vlog to go with that. So that should be sick. But anyways, let me go drive real quick. So my muscle memory wants to go like super close on the first, like on the after the kidney bean like layout, and I'm struggling like mentally to like do what I normally not do what I normally do for muscle memory and drive this new layout, and it's just ever so slightly different that it's like throwing me off. But got this. All right, going back. Camera's upside down. All right, so I'm back, and yeah, I got it. Everything's sorted. Felt good. Car's kind of running hot, and you know, I don't want to break it or anything like that. But I'm gonna shoot some photos now. So here's 5, I guess, right? Try and do 5, and all the settings and everything else will be there. Give you an idea of what I'm doing. Hopefully you enjoyed those photos and the settings and everything, and yeah, like always, if you need help shooting drift photos and you're at the track and you see me and you want me to help you, come talk to me. I'll help you out. I'll try to set your camera up. I'll try to help you get whatever you can, show you the spots, whatever. I'm always down to help. Just feel free to ask. I'm gonna walk around and just kind of look at some of the cars real quick and check some stuff out. There's a bunch of nice stuff here, so let me just show you some stuff. Yeah. What's up? Yep. I guess we're gonna try and drive like maybe 1 or 2 more laps and then slide out. I need to go, so and then pull these wheels off and all other junk. Anyways, okay, back to the track. A little blown out though. Oh man. Alright, so we're done drifting. I've got a bunch of really good laps in. First time I've ever tandem with anybody. And yeah, it was kind of cool. Weren't super close, but hopefully I got those runs on camera. I don't know, my GoPro died somewhere in the middle of that. Adam is here, Adam Ivell from the UK. Be sure to check him out. I'll have his channel below. He's fucking awesome.
We'll see you tomorrow, thingy.
Yeah, and we'll be at Stand Station. So hopefully I didn't curse and I can bleep myself out, but alright, later.